So these are the Artesprix permanent thermal transfer markers. The way this works is these markers are filled with a very special ink. And you would draw an image on plain paper. This image can be a pre-printed image from your printer that you've designed, or you could use an adult coloring book or a children's coloring book and fill in your design that way. You would take this print and you're going to apply heat and pressure to any item that has either polyester or polyester coated. For example, a canvas bag, a glass cutting board, a mug, and a wine bag. You can use wood, metal, fabric, MDF board. So Mandy here is going to show you how to use the product.
So this is actually glitter vinyl, and this is another great product that you can transfer over to. If you don't want to use polyester materials, or you want to transfer over to a dark material, this is one option you can have, because the glitter vinyl will hold on to your colors as well. So in this option, we're going to use the polyester bag along with the glitter vinyl to give a little bit more depth. So we line up the glitter vinyl. Just give it a few seconds. And then your image needs to be reversed, because this is going to go face down and your final product will be straight.
She's using a thermal tape to affix the image to the substrate so that it doesn't shift underneath the pressure. You can use the Cricut Easy Press, a crafting iron, or a heat press. So there is a lot of versatility in applying heat to the product. Also, the product has recently been approved for use by children ages 9 and up. It is non-toxic, phthalate-free, heavy metal-free, and lead-free. And so, put a couple sheets of paper over this image just to make sure that whenever it heats up, this turns into a gas, and you don't want it to get onto your plate of your heat press. So put a few sheets of paper over this to protect it. Press down firmly. This is at 355 for 45 seconds. Every material is going to take a little bit longer or shorter time depending upon the thickness. So your wood products may take 1.5 minutes. Some of your thicker plastics may take a minute, 1.5 minutes. A thin t-shirt may only take 30 seconds. You want to speak on behalf of where to get the product?
Sure. You can visit the website at artesprix.com, and there's a list of all of our dealers on there where you can find the products. You can also use Cricut machines, Silhouette machines, Brother Cut and Scan to draw out your designs, and that way they can automatically mirror them for you. This comes off, and if all goes well, it's your final image.
And you can wash this. We like to tease that the dye will last a lot longer than even your fabric that you're putting the image on.
And so it's kind of in process on the Cricut. It's drawing out. This was the final image, and then onto the bag. You can use something as simple as a Cricut Easy Press. It gives really good heat, even heat across the surface. It also has enough weight to it to give enough pressure on your material. You can use a home iron for very small materials like, say, a sock, or if it's a home luggage tag, something that's smaller. They do have enough heat. Make sure the home iron doesn't have the steam holes in it. Don't turn your steam on. It's not going to help you any at all. But, you know, it's a home product that could be used. It's a business product that could be used. and it's just a lot of fun for, I think, adults and kids.
And you can visit our website at artesprix.com, and there'll be a lot of videos that have already been made showing the versatility of the product and using it in different ways.